Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Drive shared folder notifications for Shopify assets step by step clearly. Navigate to the Google Drive website and log into your Google account. Locate the shared folder that contains your Shopify assets. Right-click on the shared folder to open a context menu. Select Get Link from the options provided. Make sure the link sharing is set to anyone with the link or adjust the settings as necessary. Copy the link to your clipboard for future reference. Now, open a new tab and go to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for Google Drive notifications or a similar app that suits your needs. Choose an appropriate notification tool and click on Install. Follow the prompts to authorize the app to access your Google Drive. Once the app is installed, return to your Google Drive and open the shared folder. Look for a notification setting or preferences option within the app. Set your preferences for notifications, such as email alerts for changes or comments. Save your settings to ensure notifications are activated. Next, check your email to confirm that notifications are being sent as expected. Monitor your inbox for any updates related to the shared folder. You may also want to check your spam folder if you don't see notifications right away. If needed, adjust your notification preferences based on your requirements. Now, you are all set to receive Google Drive shared folder notifications for your Shopify assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.